Wow, crazy. This goat head mukbang is next level. The meat looks insanely tender, rich, and packed with deep smoky flavors. Every bite must be melting in the mouth, with all those spices soaking in perfectly. The texture is unreal, soft, juicy, and bursting with flavor. You can see how well it's cooked, with the fat glistening and the meat pulling apart effortlessly. The combination of spices must make every bite an explosion of taste. This isn't just food, it's an experience. Watching this is making me crave something this bold and delicious. Who else is getting super hungry just by looking at this?